In the vast expanse of financial markets, where the allure of quick gains often overshadows enduring wisdom, lies a realm where the principles of farming converge with strategies for long-term wealth creation. Don't shout at the caucus. Just as a farmer can't rush the growth of crops by shouting at them, investors must recognize that the market moves at its own pace. Patience and trust in long-term strategies are key to success. Don't blame the crop for not growing fast enough. Blaming the market for slow growth won't hasten returns. Blaming slow growth won't accelerate it. Focus on what's controllable: your investment strategy and response to market shifts. Don't uproot crops before they've had a chance to grow. Avoid prematurely uprooting investments in response to adversity. Like plants, investments require time to mature and yield results. Resist impulsive actions based on short-term fluctuations. Let investments grow and flourish. Irrigate and fertilize. Do it regularly. Similar to farmers' regular irrigation and fertilization, investors must consistently nurture their portfolios. Regular contributions and adjustments ensure investment health and growth over time. Remember, you have good seasons and bad seasons. You can't control the weather, only be prepared for it. Every farmer knows that some years will bring bumper crops, while others will be lean. Investors face similar uncertainty in the market. Instead of trying to predict the future, diversify your investments, maintain a long-term perspective, and have a strategy in place for both bull and bear markets. By being prepared for all seasons, you can navigate the unpredictable financial landscape with confidence and resilience. So focus on wealth creation rather than market noise. Amidst market noise and fluctuations, prioritize long-term wealth creation over reactionary responses. Like a focused farmer growing crops amidst background chatter, stick to your investment plan and keep sight of building lasting wealth. By embracing these farming-inspired principles, investors cultivate a resilient investment strategy capable of withstanding time's tests and reaping bountiful financial harvests. If you need assistance with financial planning, don't hesitate to contact our team of financial experts.